because I need to get my point. Okay, so hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video for you all. We're going to be doing my first, I got a new series going on. We got a new series. It's like a rant series. Don't worry though, it's going to mostly be good rants, like about good things, not like slagging off like people going like, oh, I don't like this, I don't like this, I don't like this. It's going to be like my strong opinions on things that need to be changed that are good. Basically, there might be thrown in a few shady things and tea. No, not in this one anyway. And I just stop clapping. I wanted to do this because you all know I love a good blimmin' rant. I love a good rant. I really do. I just do. I've always been that, like in primary we used to have to do like debates, like primary school. I was always that one, like, I just love a good rant. It's just fun. It's good to run, isn't it? And yeah, basically I have a lot of strong opinions about things. And in this series I'm going to be sharing them with you all. So they're all going to be about makeup in this series, but hopefully I can move on to like society things. But I feel like people get well annoyed with me. And in this video it would be alright to watch because I don't feel like there'll be much controversy, because I'm talking about like shade ranges and how there needs to be a lot more shade ranges. Universal. Anyway, if you like the sound of that, hit the subscribe button down below. I do loads of other videos including fashion, lifestyle, makeup tutorials, everything like that. I'm like a big mix together. I don't know. And yeah, and give it a big thumbs up and yeah, let's get started. Cringe. Right. Okay, so I've already kind of explained what I'm going to be talking about. Shades of foundation. First of all, like, don't you want to sell more and don't you want to cater to other people? But also, I know if they didn't make a shade for me, I would feel like, oh, like, well, that brand's not very nice, they wouldn't want me. And I always do get a shade because I have like that skin tone that everyone does cater for usually. I can't deal. It's when they don't make darker skin shades. Like, it's so rude. Like, it's just so friggin' rude. Like, why would you do it? It doesn't matter. And I feel like foundation, like, companies, okay, they're like, we have 30 shades coming out and there's 25 for like ashy pale tones for darker skin toned, and that's just like, what? Like, everyone's getting hyped up thinking 30 shades, whoa, that is good. But why? If you want to come out with 30 shades, half and half, or maybe 10 pale, 10 medium, 10 dark. You do not need to do that. It's just annoying. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you different shade ranges, what I think of them, different foundations, and having a good rant. If I do this a lot, it's because I need to get my point across by doing this. I'm going to stop it though because that's annoying. The thing that inspired this whole thing is probably one of my most bizarre foundation shade ranges I've seen. Oh, besides another one I'm going to be showing you soon. Beauty Blender. I will no longer be supporting Beauty Blender. That actually sent me PR, so thanks Beauty Blender, but no, bye. If you don't know, I did actually get some PR from Beauty Blender, so that's quite exciting, but I will no longer be purchasing their items. I will not use their items in my videos because I don't support brands throw this in our faces. Genuinely, I'll be inserting pictures. This is the worst shade range ever. They have so many colours. Well, no, that was a lie. There's so many shades, 32 shades, that's quite a lot. And it makes you think, oh, you look at the picture, that's a joke. That's an actual joke. There's four deep toned ones. Four! And then you have three bright orange ones. Come on, who's bright orange? Come on. No one's bright orange. Like, they're going to cater to the fake tan gone wrong people out there. And the first row, not going to lie, they all look the same. They all look the same pale kind. They haven't even they haven't tried, have they? They just haven't tried. It's just slack. That is so rude. It's so rude. Brands seem to think, okay, right. Brands seem to think there's only one type of deep skin tone. There's not. There's so many different deep skin tones, and it's not fair because think how many different pale skin tones there are. There's going to be so many different deep skin tones as well. Ugh. That was a little clap for a bad. That's a bad clap. And it's actually a shame because that foundation looks really good. But you girls are not going to be reviewing it because I don't support it. Hopefully they listen to the hate they are getting. Oh my god. Tarte. This genuinely, when I saw this, I thought, oh, that can't be, that's not a finish, like that's not a finished skin, like that can't be the finished foundations, and it was. They're genuinely all pale. There's not even a medium shade for them there. They're all pale. One dark skin, one medium, one deep. It's a joke. It's genuinely a joke. When I saw it, I was like, what the hell? And especially Tarte, they're a huge company. Like, they must get so many sales, like Shape Tape, and then they go out and do this. It's like, what are you doing? It was a poo time. It was a poo time. That doesn't make sense. Okay, right. Let's now move on to Benefit. Their Little Happy foundation. It's really cute, the packaging though, isn't it? 12 shades. 12 shades. There's more than 12 shades in the world. That actually makes me feel sad. 12. Come on, like, Benefit, that is taking the actual mick, isn't it, really? Okay, yeah, fair enough, they have one really dark and they have one really light, but 12 shades. They've put 33% deep, 42% medium and 25% light. Okay, now that's good. They're catering. But what about the light people now? Where's their shades gone thrown? It's either like brands completely forget deep skin tones. They either forget them completely and put loads of light shades, or now what's happening is brands are worrying there won't be ones for deep tones, so they're putting tons of deep tones and then hardly any light tones. It's like, can't just be in the middle. But we can. I'm going to show you an example of a extremely good shade range that I am actually very impressed with, and I will be trying this foundation out hopefully. 45 shades. Now that is a shade range. That is a shade range. Thank you, NYX. Thank you to NYX. Clap, clap. They actually start really pale. They keep getting up and going up till complete deep dark. Like, that is... I'm proud of them. That is good. And it's a collab with Alyssa Ashley, so... well done, Alyssa. I actually am so impressed. Really, really am impressed. Like, they do go deep in this one. Like, that is good. I'm so happy about that. Okay, thank you. Next, I'm going to be talking about is Colourpop. I'm going to give Colourpop a good rating for their foundation. It's very good. They have 42. I'm a little bit tired. It's in the morning and I'm a little bit tired. But my rants come out in the morning because I'm like fresh out the womb. I'm not fresh out the womb. I was fresh out the womb nearly 14 years ago. Still in my 14th birthday, 9th of August. Now they really do go light and they really do go dark, and that is so impressive, and I'm so happy. Like, especially for such an affordable cheap brand. I mean, $12 versus what? That's gonna be like Colourpop and NYX, more cheaper, doing the best shade ranges. I mean, really, that's amazing. And then versus Tarte and Beauty Blender. You have the money. Why are you doing this to yourselves? Like, I can't. Like, it actually makes me angry. You know when you just feel angry and you're just like I want to march down to Beauty Blender's head office and be like, what were you thinking? Like, do you think deep skinned people don't exist? So it just makes me angry. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want more makeup rants, I've got so many coming. Well, if you want them, comment down below, but I'm going to do them anyway because I like doing them. Give it a big thumbs up and comment your opinions on shade ranges and what makes you angry about shade ranges down below. And I love you all so much. Bye.